think things are semi-manageable with this now. Okay. Where were we? I'll just open everything up. Terminal, VS Code. Let's get all this up. Get this over. Get Chrome going. Getting a lot of stuff up right now. Okay, and let's go to GitHub, I guess. Cool. Got that. Alright, Visual Studio Code. Let's go. I don't know. File. New window. Come on. Just minimize that, I guess. Open file. Open folder. Oh, I was in the middle of initializing that, wasn't I? Okay, repos. Let's go to browser toolkit, select folder. Okay, go here, source repos, browser toolkit, npm init. See if this takes a day to do. Okay, browser toolkit. This cloud.js. What do we do? Toolkit.js. Wanna watch me code. MIT. Yes, and then do git status. Let's go back to git. Go to, where is it? Why is it on browser toolkit? Let's go here, What do we do? Git repository, copy, npm init. Paste that. There we go. Cool. So we're knitted. What do we want? We want Webpack, right? Because we want to deploy it to the browser. Let's go. Webpack. Let's go. Bundle of pages. Source index. Let's go here, Webpack, init. I don't know. npm install dash save dev. Documentation. Entry. Output loaders. npm Webpack. Okay, install the Webpack. Okay. Okay, Webpack. Is this gonna work? Okay, let's go to Visual Studio, make folder, new folder, source, Okay. Package. Okay, scripts. Webpack. Okay, npm run webpack. Okay, yes. Yeah, so generators. It's taking a while. So much. Let's go, let's go. What are you doing? Oh, why is this doing this? Let's go. Oh no. Maybe I didn't want to do that. Okay, index. Okay. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Alright, well, no matter what we're gonna do, we're gonna do, dot, browser toolkit equals that. Okay. Got our browser toolkit. And that's it, guys. That's all we're doing today. Now, so what should we do? Actually, let me see what they did in here. npm run serve. Alright, npm run build. Nope. sure why I didn't install it already. Workbox. What is Workbox, dude? Let me get my webpack config, dude. What is this? Index, production. Okay, well, let's just install it. Screw it. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay. Now it's trying to build. Okay, looks like it started. Oh my gosh, this computer is so slow. It's unreal. There we go. npm run service. Wonder if I installed everything correctly. Dist index main service worker workbox. I don't know what any of that is. Let's see. This is crazy slow. There we go. Inspect console. So it's there. Got that. Let's make this TypeScript. And I think I have TypeScript globally. Where's TypeScript? tsconfig. CommonJS. Out there. This. There we go. Okay, I don't know. And then Webpack's got to be configured for TypeScript. Webpack TypeScript. Okay, resolve.